The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Webb County in south-central Texas, southwestern La Salle County in south-central Texas, until 5:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near La Esperanza Ranch Airport, or 14 miles west of Encino, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Encino and La Esperanza Ranch Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 32 and 54. US Highway 83 between mile markers 672 and 686. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.